Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a digital product to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add a digital product on. Go to Pages, click on Shop. If you don't have an online store or a shop on your Squarespace site, it's simple to add it. Just click on this plus icon, select store, and follow the simple process. After adding your online store on Squarespace, click on it just like that. Then click on this plus icon. Select download from this list. And now just fill in this form. You can start with the product name. I've used ChatGPT to help me with that. This is a product description, and I will add these details in the additional info section right here. Click on apply. Now for the image, for the product image, I will use my free Canva version to edit this square image. These are my 3 photos from the Unsplash service. Just select the image and drag and move it here. Now let's download this photo or product photo, or instead of free ebook, I will go with new ebook. Latest hiking list, download now, and my website.com. Now let's download this image. Click on this plus icon below image and select upload file. This is my image on my computer. Under inventory, I can upload my digital product file. It can be an ebook and PDF file. Let's use this PDF file. Now it is uploaded completely. You can give it a price, for example, $25, and make it on sale with the $15 sale price. Under organization, you can organize your digital products on Squarespace using categories and also tags. To add a category, just write it here. For example, hiking, click on add. And now your category is added to the system, but you still need to select it for this product. Click on done. Same thing with the tags. Under selling tools, you can make these digital products a featured product to be displayed in summary blocks on your page. You can also add or showcase related products on this digital product page. You can also add product reviews. And under marketing, you can, I forgot my cam. And under marketing, you can edit the product or the digital product tool. For example, let's go with hiking checklist. You can also edit the SEO title and description. And this is your SEO title, and this is your SEO description that your visitors will see on Google search results, for example. And for social share, you can edit the image that will be displayed if someone tries to share your product page on social media sites. And under checkouts, you can customize your form. For example, you want to get additional information about your customers, you can create a new form here. You can also customize the checkout button by editing your add to cart button text. After that, click on or just hover over save. There are 3 options. You can save your products for later editing. You can publish it right now or scheduling it for later publishing. For this video, I will go with publish. Click on this little arrow on the corner to preview your product page. Now this is your product page, and let's visit my digital product. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is my product photo. This is the product title, original price, discounted price, description, add to cart, and also the additional information. And this is how to add a digital product on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.